If you're experiencing issues with account synchronization in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you enable the necessary settings for a smooth gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause synchronization issues. You can test your connection by trying to access other online services. Step 2. Update the game. Make sure that Cyberpunk 2077 is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs and improve functionality. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available updates. Step 3. Verify account settings. Log into your CD Projekt Red account and verify that your account settings are correct. Ensure that your account is linked to the appropriate gaming platform and that all necessary permissions are granted for synchronization. Step 4. Restart the game. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve synchronization issues. Close Cyberpunk 2077 completely and then relaunch it. This can refresh the connection to the servers and help with syncing. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to CD Projekt Red's customer support. Provide them with details about your problem, and they can assist you further in resolving the account sync issue. By following these steps, you should be able to enable account synchronization in Cyberpunk 2077 effectively. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the game support team. Happy gaming!